Oh my, what time is it?
Boobs o'clock.
No, it's time to make a new video.
Yeah, baby. Got my tripod. Yeah, baby. There we go. Gotta make sure this thing doesn't fly away. Good. God damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Trick shot. Bang! Booyah! Oh yeah, and now there's this. Let's take a look inside of these boxes. Oh, guess what? I already took everything out. See? Whoop, whoop, there we go. Wow. Look, here's the box of thingies. And we got power supply manual, motherboard manual, fan manual, case manual. I don't know what this is. We got DVD, even though my case doesn't even have a freaking optical drive. So that's the motherboard. It's I told you so. Prime X357 Pro Sync. Oh, if you're wondering what's in this cable, what's in this thing? Oh, guess what? Look, all cables. Oh, but what's in this one? Oh yeah, EVGA Supernova X. EVGA Supernova 850p2. And you might be asking, oh, where is the motherboard? Well, I'll answer that question. Because guess what? It's ready in my freaking computer. That's right, baby. It's the Crystal. I forgot its name again. God damn it. But yeah, as you can see, it's like it is in there. Look at that white piece. Let's unscrew all this stupidness. There we go. Let's take this glass off. Right, so here we got the AM4 socket, different, things for the power supply, cable, whatever, is ATX connectors. There's the power supply. You can hear the clicky thing going on there. We got the SATA cables. We got the RAM. Need RAM. Still got the RGB fans. We're super close to getting this done. Hopefully we get this done by summer. And I will be able to, make quality content for my Totally Not Tacky channel. Okay, yeah, now I'm done. Okay, bye, squad fam.